There are very few more frustrating experiences than going to a quote or quoting over the phone or something like that, and you feel like you really hit it off with somebody, and you think, yeah, they're going to go for it. They're really, really interested. Everything I said, they loved it. And then you submit the quote and you lose it. The industry is price sensitive. We know that. However, that doesn't mean that you can't be more expensive than other people and still win new clients. You can still convert those people, but we have to get better at selling. And we have to get better at prospecting. Prospecting is all about selection and deselection. You want to focus on finding the clients that you can serve best, the people that are going to really love your service for your price point and really need what you offer. They need the solution that you provide. So when we're prospecting, we know that we can just say yes to anybody, but that makes it less likely to be able to convert them. We need to look at where those clients are coming from. We need to make sure that we're focusing on the right types of industries. Are we actually able to serve the people that we say we can? If we've made sure that our prospecting is right and it's laser focused on the right type of people. So if you've been in that situation where you keep losing out based on price, I can all but guarantee we're either not prospecting well enough or we're not selling well enough. And those are two things that I can absolutely help you with. So if you want to increase your conversion rates, you want to get more clients into your business, you want to grow it, we have to increase the caliber of your prospecting. So if you're in that position, if you know that you want to improve those things, drop me a message. Let's have a conversation.